Welcome back. So yeah, this is tricky work on Herugrim, which is the name of King Theoden's sword. It's got some great detail, but I'm just trying to work out how to generate the exact shape of these horse heads. Complex set of booleans, negatives and positives here. I've got the negative form in the center there has to be removed, but that had to be generated first of all by positive cylinders. Anyway, I've moved on now to masking the main decorative detail here, these beautiful curves. So I'm really zooming in and overlaying the masking to get that just right. There's been a bit of difficulty because of competing reference images, slightly different swords, variations which can be argued, but this is a very good piece of reference from the original. Then this mask is used to extract the decorative form, which then needs a lot of further sculpting and detail added. And this is just the beginning, really. There's a lot more texturing and parts and integration taking place. Yeah, it's been a complicated object, of course. King Theoden's work is always rather tricky. So I'm just going to jump to the final, nearly finished at least, object. Here we go. King Theoden's sword, Herugrim. Thanks for watching.